My name is Desiree Soto, and we're at Rincon Criollo, well known as La Casita de Chema. My father, born and raised in Puerto Rico, he came over here at the age of 21, and he missed his island, so he wanted a piece of Puerto Rico here in the Bronx. So he decided to clean out a lot that was filled with garbage, and once he started cleaning out, more members started coming in, neighborhoods started joining in, and they cleaned it up and started a garden. Casita behind me is a replica of how the houses were built many years ago in Puerto Rico. And here we have a charter high school that came to visit the school before. We have many schools that come here to visit the garden. This is the documentary. You can look it up by that name on YouTube. It's about an hour long, very informative. This was the day of his wake. We actually did a drive-by here, and the hearse stopped in front of La Casita, and here you see all the pleneros playing and giving him a good send-off there. We were sending him to Puerto Rico, that's where he's buried. Mentally, I wasn't well when my father passed away. I was uncertain of what was gonna happen with this place. And I didn't want it to fall. That was his only wish, was no lo dejas caer. So that stood in the back of my mind, and the pleneros pushed me to not give up. So in that motivation, I just kept pushing. This here is when they had to move. The original location was on 158th and Brook Avenue, and due to developers coming in and buying the land, he was pushed out. But this is the second location, and it's been permanent ever since. But it took, it was on media everywhere. It was a long fight, but he fought for another space, so this is where we are now.
En la otra casita que estaba allá, hicimos una casita. Esa casita nos la rompieron. Y pues hicimos otra más. Esa también nos la rompieron. Yo le digo a mi esposo, Chema, no te apures que nos rompieron esto. Vamos a hacer otra mejor. Vamos a hacerla. Yo seguí con él, llorando y sufriendo, aunque yo lo veía que lloraba. Y yo sufría más que él. Pero la hicimos. Estamos ahí para hacerla. Pero yo sufrí junto con él. Porque yo quería la casita como la quería él. Él lloró y yo lloré. Pero la hicimos. 3 veces nos la quemaron y 3 veces yo decía, la vamos a hacer, hasta que la hicimos. Este lago ahora lo tiene mi hija. No es lo mismo que allá que acá. Allá sufrimos, aquí no sufrimos. Aquí gozamos con la gente nos ayuda, la gente nos dan protección, nos ayudan a comprar las cosas. El gobierno no nos dio nada, pero lo hicimos. Eso es lo que vale, lo hicimos.
Yo nací en el barrio, allí me crié. Yo nací en el barrio, allí me crié. Mi papá le llaman el gran Don José. A mi papá le llaman el gran Don José. Yo nací en el barrio, allí me crié. ¡Pollo y pollo! Yo nací en el barrio, allí me crié. Como repartió ese pollo de gratis al tron. Ya me convité, está comiendo yuca, maranga, ya me convité. A mi padre le llaman el gran Don José. A mi padre le llaman el gran Don José. ¿Cómo dice? Yo nací en el barrio, allí me crié. Yo nací en el barrio, allí me crié. Mi padre...
Oh, my name is Elizabeth Rodriguez. I'm a volunteer here at the garden. I come and help. Sometimes I do delicious Puerto Rican things like this here, alcapurrias made out of green banana, plantain, pumpkin, and yautía. And we put meat inside. It's one of the cuchifritos made in Puerto Rico. I love to volunteer here because I live alone. I stay to myself, and coming here, it relaxes me and take my mind off things and keep me going during the day.
I just remember coming here as a kid and this being super packed. You could barely even move here. And with music, live music always. And I just couldn't wait to get that age to be able to enjoy that.
Alejandra Martínez, ale, ale, Alejandra Martínez. Alejandra era una negra con gran caché, pero cuando baila bomba
De Chema, pues, ¿qué te diré? Es el Rincón Criollo, es el sitio más emblemático de la bomba y la plena en Nueva York por muchos años. Aunque Chema no está aquí físicamente, su hija y sus familiares están manteniendo este sitio todavía vivo y activo, lo cual es muy importante para que esta música folclórica de Puerto Rico se mantenga viva y activa.